where the sound takes shape, a space between the notes where nothing feels the same. The bass hums softly like a pull in your veins. The saxophone plays a tune you can't explain. The keys slip in and out of focus, shifting slow, like the city's beat you don't quite know. Every second bends to the sound that you chase, but it fades away as fast as it finds its place. Drums hit steady like a clock that won't stop. Fingers on the keys, they press, they pop. A trumpet cries out but never lets go, filling the air with a force that you can't show. The flow wraps you in a cloak of sound, untangling your thoughts, spinning you around. You can't hold it but you can feel it move, like a fire in your soul that makes you improve. The flow keeps you grounded yet lifts you high. Every note you hear paints the sky. The bass line deep, it pulls at your core, and the trumpet pushes you further ashore. You drift between the keys and the sound in this place where the real never lets you down. The sax plays the words you couldn't speak, and for a second everything feels unique. Can you hear it? The sound that calls. It's the force that breaks down all the walls. Take a chance, let the music define the line between the space and the time. Lost in the groove where the sound meets the soul. The beat runs deep but you can't take control. Every turn you make you find something new in the music that pulls you right back to you. Every note carries a weight, every chord a key to a world inside where you're finally free. The synths are singing but the drums speak loud. In the blend of sound you stand unbowed. Feel the pull of the sound as it spins you around. Let it take you where it has never been found. Lost in the groove where time has no end, where every note is a message to send. In the air, the groove stays with you, always there. A final beat that holds you in its core, the sound that keeps you whole. The beat's gone still but the groove remains, carried in the air like a quiet refrain. The last note falls but the flow won't stop, in the groove where the music is the heart that drops.